Love being you. You look so handsome, Daddy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. And today is Thursday, the 12th of September. And I'm in the city, guys. I just parked the car. So I'm going to see Dada, guys, because you know Thursday is date night. So yep, here's my date. Why are you shy, Daddy? You look great. So we're going to, where are we going, Daddy?
Isan soul food.
What?
Isan soul food.
Soul food?
Isan soul food. It's a Thai restaurant.
Alright, that's where we're going, guys. I think it's in Burke Street.
Corner Burke and 98 Burke Street or 90 Burke Street.
Yeah, and we're just going through David Jones. Can we go shopping, Daddy, please? Stress. Daddy, Daddy. $1,500. Please, give me a dress.
Good things about it.
Did someone tell you about it, or?
Yeah, lots. A few people told me about it. Thai people. Kong Thai. What does that mean? Kong Thai.
Love being you. You look so handsome, Daddy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thai.
Oh yeah.
What does Kong Thai mean?
I don't know, Bob. I'm Filipino.
Thai people. Thai. Kong Thai.
Go to Sephora.
Kong Thai.
And hold this, Daddy B. I'm gonna put my jacket on.
There's a few speeches.
Yeah.
They're pretty sad.
I haven't heard about him at work.
Buckley made a speech.
Oh,
He was crying. He was crying. Box.
are they friends?
Yeah. Everyone was friends with Chloe. Suicide, man.
Are you sure it was?
Yeah.
It might be just.
No, they said no,
nasty.
no, no. They've pretty much come out and said that it was suicide. They're just not using that word because it's not a nice word. They're saying like that his death won't be considered part of the Victorian road toll,
Yeah.
which means that he did it deliberately. They also said that his relationship was breaking down and his relationship was breaking down and
So that's where we're going. Isan Seoul Thai street food. Oh, we got cookies.
Can I order?
Yeah.
Let me order.
3 people over there, please.
Thank you so much.
Fresh coconut juice. Can you open this today, please?
That?
Let's break this. Thank you. Bagaongon naman. Bagaongon. Bagatungon.
Thank you. This is Daddy's favorite dish.
What's this?
Kapao gai.
Kapao gai.
Kapao gai.
Kapao gai. And jasmine rice.
It's like chili basil chicken.
Chili basil chicken. And I'm enjoying my coconut rice. Lugit. And now we've got the samtam. It's sort of like atsara in the Philippines, guys. We're eating now. The rice is live. So here's our last dish. What was the name again, Daddy?
Tom sa Isan.
Tomsap-sap.
Tom sa Isan.
Tomsap-san. Yeah. Bon appetit. Hi guys, we just finished our dinner. Thank you, Daddy, for the dinner. Cup Hong Kong. It was good, guys. It was breakfast. Did you like your food, Daddy?
Yeah. อร่อยมาก
อร่อยมาก Guys, they thought that I'm Thai. Do I look like Thai, guys? Thai? Taekwondo?
I think because I look like a white fighter.
So, you guys, we're just gonna, I don't know, walk back to the car now. And yeah, we'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, it's bread top. I'm just gonna grab something from my beautiful sister Mimi.
Drink Pepsi Cola or
Oh, this is beautiful. That's coconut. We love coconut.
drink Pepsi Cola.
Just gonna go in. So I've got it now, guys. It's just the coconut loaf. Mimi would love it. In Paris too. It's $5.80. Come on, Daddy. So this is Melbourne City at night. Thursday night. Restaurants are all full. Beautiful. Di ko mag-bite, guys. Ay, mag-on ako. OTD. Daddy, excuse me. This guy's my OTD, guys. Just got the top. Whoop. Just take my jacket off so you see better. Yeah. Hi, Daddy. What are you wearing? It's from Culture King's shirt.
Yeah, alright.
Correct.
Gold Nixon watch, Topman jeans, and Nike Zoom Max.
There you go. They're really nice shoes, guys. But I'm just wearing my Dior thing back. And this is the skirt that I bought from Bardo the other day. So yeah. I just asked Daddy to get me these. What he wants.
Let's go.
Oh, this. Kaboman. OMG. Hey guys, we're at Emporium again. So, Michael Kors said, daghan kahit tentasyon din gapita, guys, eh. Should we go? Yeah, let's try to go upstairs. We're back in the car now, guys. we'll be driving home and see our baby girl because she's waiting for us now. Bye, Daddy.
See ya.
Yeah, guys, so thank you very much for watching today's video. And yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good. If you can't, be careful. Bye. Say bye, Daddy, to the vlog.